Hello everybody, we are going to make a delivery to Made by Millworks. Made by Millworks is a local shop that supports local artists and makers. They sell the products, they support the products, they have events there. They also have a bar named Eleanor's Drinkery, one of my favorites. Also offers local beers in Long Beach. It's an all Long Beach store. I love them, I love everyone in it. And we're going to make a quick drop. So what we're doing is we're going to restock. We have products at Made by Millworks, and we're going to restock some of the products they got cleaned out apparently earlier this month. So we're going to stock them up and give them some fresh stuff. Also, Long Beach has amazing girls. Thank you, Powwow Long Beach. Thank you all the artists, amazing artists. For those of you watching and are not familiar with Long Beach, we are a diverse city. We're small but mighty and actually growing really fast. So this is a little glimpse into Long Beach, so get to know it a little bit better. So you come visit and say hi. The Potholder, one of the OG breakfast spots in Long Beach. The place that you have to come and eat at. Long Beach just got a brand new library. A lot of you guys don't know this, but Long Beach has beautiful architecture. Looks good, but it's a beautiful place to come visit. Downtown Long Beach, a little quiet. That's 7-Eleven, always closes past couple of years. We're approaching Made by Millworks. Just here to our right. There it is. Our local maker shop. There's Mr. Andrew.
Well, hello there.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm doing well.
You got stock for us?
I do. There it is.